As the legal battle surrounding the 2023 general Nigerian election, Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi's legal team have shed light on the reasons behind the delay in filing an appeal. The team, led by seasoned lawyers with extensive experience in electoral matters, addressed concerns regarding the timeline of their appeal process. One key factor contributing to the delay is the meticulous nature of the legal process. Atiku and Obi's lawyers are leaving no stone unturned in their efforts to build a comprehensive and robust case. They are meticulously reviewing all aspects of the election proceedings, including gathering evidence, scrutinizing documentation, and conducting interviews with relevant parties. This thorough approach is aimed at ensuring that the appeal is grounded in strong legal foundations. Additionally, the legal team is taking into account the complexity of electoral laws and regulations in Nigeria. Navigating the intricacies of the legal framework requires careful examination and interpretation, which naturally takes time. The cautious approach is crucial in order to present a compelling case before the courts. Furthermore, the legal team is taking keen on avoiding any procedural missteps that could potentially weaken their case. By taking the necessary time to prepare, they are minimizing the risk of overlooking crucial details or filing incomplete documents. It's important to note that the legal process is inherently time consuming, especially in cases of this magnitude. The diligence exhibited by Atiku and Obi's legal team is indicative of their commitment to upholding the principles of justice and ensuring that the appeal stands on solid legal ground. In conclusion, the delay in filing the appeal by Atiku and Obi's legal team is a deliberate and calculated move aimed at building a robust case. The meticulous approach, combined with a thorough review of the electoral process and legal framework, demonstrates their commitment to pursuing justice through appropriate legal channels. Some people will tell you that their cases go nowhere because Nigeria, the bane of Nigeria electoral process and the governance is corruption all over the place. I hear people say, oh, if the APC wanted to rig election, that they wouldn't have lost in Tinubu wouldn't have lost in Lagos, that even the the resigned chairman, Abdullahi, what's the former, what's his name, the former chairman of the APC, he lost in his state. Also, Buhari lost in his state. All those top APC chieftains, that they didn't win for Tinubu in their state, so automatically they didn't rig the election. I always look at these people because they were taking on our ways because they had that confidence, and that was why they did all they did. So somebody should be come and be telling us that, oh, because he lost your election. If you want to say that, then you should not be telling us that Obasanjo rigged election as well, because you tell us that Obasanjo never, if Obasanjo wanted to rig election, they always come out to mock Obasanjo that he never won in his polling unit, not to talk of his state. So what are you going to say? Then you now come back again and tell us that Obasanjo rigged election. That Obasanjo rigged election. If Obasanjo rigged election, yeah, then he should have rigged his own state. So that all those things they do not really they do not make sense. But the reason why these guys are delaying, some people have already lost hope that nothing is going to come out from the voting. Whether something comes out or nothing comes out, I think the most important thing now, for as many who are saying, oh, I support Obi, oh, I support Tinubu, oh, I did not support Papa, so all those ones are not even the issue. And these are the tactics that these politicians have been using all this while. What about your welfare? Everybody, who is in charge now? Because your life depends on who is in charge in sense of the in the in terms of making policies. People, I don't know whether people are not even hungry, because it's like this politics is just taking everybody's mind, taking everybody's attention, which is far from the reality. What is Tinubu doing? For as many of you who believe that something is going to come out of the Supreme, or nothing is going to come out from the Supreme, you should concentrate more on the welfare of this country, because that is the most important thing. Whether even for Obi supporters, Obi did not win, but that does not mean that he's not going to put food on your table. For those who are shouting, praising Tinubu's victory, it has even made your life worse. Yet you are still going about supporting all these politicians, whether they are going to delay their whatever, they are going to make it faster, or they are going to appeal it to. It has nothing to do with your life as we speak now, because we are talking about the now. The damage that the one that they have put there as a president, the damage he has caused is, unimaginable. Somebody was telling us that 8 years of Buhari, 80 years, he will not be enough to clear that mess. Is that what we are going to be talking about? People talking back and forth, back and forth. It's just really unfortunate. Well, let's see what he's going to come up with. People just want to trend with some things, or just want to flow with the happenings of the time. But the most important thing is that what are you and what are you gaining from all of these things? So guys, let's say your opinion and have your take on this.